fan. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Why is it crying? Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday, guys. How you doing, guys? I finished quite early and I decided, you know what, let's do makeup today because why not? It's been a while and I'm happy that I'm happy that I did. This is 9:24, which will soon be late. But yeah, let me just, I think I'm going to church. So I got this recently. Which did I use to pack this hair? Because I'm going to church. I just pack the hair, but I like how I look. Oh my god! Now I wish I attend those churches where you don't need to tie your hair. But yeah, should I use it brown? Nah, brown is like very off. So yeah, let me pack this stuff. Let's look for place in church where there is fan. Adeta, you're not dressed. I'll take a look again. I apologize for the noise because this fan is like on my face, but it has to be on. Hopefully you can even hear me. So this is earring of the day that I love. Oh, I'm so happy for this thing I bought. It's so fine. See, girly things are just too fine. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so happy to be a girl. I won't lie. I don't know why your body are lying around though. Go and wear clothes. Let's go to church. Okay. I swear, being a girl is so cool. Oh my god. So beautiful. Now, I love this earring. Oh my. The problem now is what to wear on my neck. I don't know the necklace to wear. Those of you that just have outfits and you know exactly what to wear for each outfit, the necklace to wear. I feel like I envy you guys at this point. But I think I'd rather leave my neck plain than wear what I will not like. What I don't think will fit it, you know. If you get what I mean. Guys, this earring, it's so light, like I can't even feel like anything aside from the fact that it dangles. I can't feel like it's not existing on my ears, like so freaking light. Wow. Anyways, earrings, jewelries, mini view fortress. Then for my watch, I think I want to add one of this here, and then of course I need to tie my hair. Anyways, guys, yeah, I think my makeup is dry now. I will see you when I get back from church. Okay? Yeah. So I don't know if you guys can see, this is beetroot. I just peeled it, washed it, and I'm about to blend it. I've actually not tested beetroot before. This is my first time making a juice out of it because I think that's what I want to do, and my first time testing it. I heard you can eat it raw, but they kind of look scary. So I don't know, but yeah, let me just cut it into smaller bits, blend it, and probably sieve it and see what it's done out. Let me just blend it first and just leave it in the blender because I'm still busy making my stew. But yeah, the nurse in the hospital that you take the boys recommended it, and he said it's also good for kids. So fingers crossed. I'm not even sure these boys will take it, but let me just do it. If they don't, then I'm sure my husband would like to try it. Oh yeah, I'm not adding any other fruits. I don't have any other fruit because all the YouTube videos that I watched, I saw some people add carrots, apples, ginger, and I don't have any of those, unfortunately. So I'm just going to blend it and see what we can do from there. So let's add little water. I don't know the quantity of water that I should add, but I think this should do. It will not be too watery. Cover the damn thing up, and then I need to go and blend. Because I know that's what you've been waiting for. Yeah.
That one we come back, who give up?
Yeah, it's sharp. What?
Give me now,
500.
That's what I am. Yeah, this water leaf no be that one.
Tell you that time, bless you.
And this one where they plant the flower water. Maybe the one where
Flower is good.
I got the more flower. Because then I got the more separated.
Water leaf only na against
How many leaf?
5.
5.
4 she.
Friend na yard. That one on Monday. No one ever na.
Hey, it's a moraba kwa ya.
It's here like that.
This thing when they cut finish, you don't finish.
Small, it becomes small. It's here and you meet the cover here.
It's here and milk it on. If we have like, so I say how much?
See how I cover it. $80 price. She almost now.
Money bank. 35. 354.
Don't scare me away.
No, I won't.
You went down and take it.
No water.
This one. Flesh. I'll buy the head, but I also want this one. Flesh na card. This one. Also 2 of them.
Yes. Above the keta.
Hey people, I just got back and I think I need to sit down because I'm not extremely tired, but you know, when you just go and come back. But you know, when you just go out and you'll be feeling energetic outside, but the moment you just step into your house, you as if they just wash straight out of you. But yeah, so I went out today, my husband of course, and then I even went out with the boys, and on the way we are just like, you know what, let's make soup today, you know, instead of just postponing cooking the soup and all, because today is Monday, and if you're familiar with sit at home, you know that they sit at home in Abia every Mondays, and major markets don't open, and I don't really go to major market like all these big free zone market, like all these big markets to buy foodstuffs. I don't do that. I don't like it because it's so stressful. I prefer all these like small markets. I hear manga, see all these markets at the brass, are fully. I hear, you know, all those small markets. I prefer it because it's less stressful, less smelly, and also they are willing to render service to you. Like when you buy vegetable, they'll cut it for you. Buy anything you buy, even okra, if you want them to cut it, they'll cut it. Like the market is very stress-free, and that's why I like it, you know. So yeah, these other small markets, they open every day. And like, you know what, let's just buy things for soup, and I'll cook it and know that within the week it's just school lunch, small food I'll be cooking. Yeah, so I bought things for vegetable soup and egusi soup. It's been a very freaking long time since I made egusi soup in this house, and the one I made in the village, I liked it. Not kinda, I actually enjoyed this. I'm like, I'm gonna make it again, so I'm going to do it today. Hopefully it comes out nice as well, even though the one I made in the village, I used pumpkin leaf, that's vegetable, but the one I'm doing today, I'll use okazi instead. I'm talking too much. Let me just change up, head straight into the kitchen and cook. First of all, I need to grind my egusi. I didn't grind it in the market because all these people that used to grind in the market, they'll tell you, oh, I grinded egusi last, whereas it's obono. And that's how you now blend, that your obono, your egusi will not be drawing. Like, you know, let me just come back home and grind it. It's not like it's a lot like that. So I'll be able to use my house blender bag. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I like how I look. I like what I'm looking like. I need to carve my brows, but that will be another day. But regardless, I like how I look. I hope you like how I look. Oh guys, something terrible. Oh my god, we saw an accident. Not why it happened, we saw it afterwards when we are coming back. I got two keke. I think they jammed. This is the stockfish I want to cook with. I'm making 2 soups, so I have 2 stockfish. And then I bought this flesh part. These ones are the parts that you can eat, because mostly this head now just flavor. So I bought these ones as well, and I'll use them. These ones are like flesh. For this water to boil, I can put it in here. I don't have space on my phone. I don't know how I can do this. Anyways, I have periwinkle here. Then I bought this egusi and I blended it at home. I have my onions for the chicken. This is not the only crayfish I'll use, but yeah. And then blended pepper. This is my ugu already cut and washed. They cut it in the market, so I just got back home and washed it. And then I have goat meat in here already cooked. So it's just to mix everything, because everything is actually just prepped already. That is water leaf, and then okazi for the egusi soup. I have mangala here. I think that's all you need for soup now. What else is? Yeah, I think so. I don't know if I'll show the process because I don't have space, but yeah, let's see.
This world is awful. Only let you go. If money there for your pocket, in a bass of lala. You beg, oh yes, nobody enjoy Tabafo. Oh yeah, Rapala one day. Kabaru Babambo, Batego, Kena Bamba, chop like with your brother.
So I'm heading out for doctor's appointment. I'm not pregnant, but general health is important. But I feel like this is the wrong choice of talk, because I feel really bloated. Like I'm sucking in my tummy now, and I think I have to change. I don't feel comfortable because like this I'm bloated. I feel like I have to keep sucking. I think I need to change it. Now that I'm talking about it, I don't think it's the best idea. Let me change up and we'll talk. So I think this is a better option. I feel like I need to I feel like I need to iron this shirt, but I don't think I have the time, and also it's not like, it's like 10% bad and 90% manageable. So I'm going to manage it because I don't know, for some reason I don't feel so good anymore. Oh my god. If I had felt like this like 20-30 minutes ago, I definitely would have cancelled this appointment, but why? I don't understand all of a sudden. Okay, yeah, I'm heading out from the doctor's appointment, from the doctor's office. I'm going to go for a school run. I think I need to use the loo. God have mercy on me. Guys, we'll talk later because I don't feel good at all. Like, let me check if I can help myself and then head out. Hopefully I keep to time, but yeah. Let's go, shall we?